Oh, look, a lovely village. I wonder what's gonna happen to it. Wait, what? Why is there a TNT? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Is that an orbital strike cannon? Nah, nah, nah. Of course it doesn't blow up. I won't let it blow up. And also, I I have the orbital strike cannon, the nuke one, and the stab shot. Well, this is just gonna be a showcase. Wait, what happens if we like enable TNT explodes? Gamer TNT. Oh my gosh. Gamer TNT explodes. True. And then we grab one of the nukes. You know, your entire village will turn into a crater. Well, let's see what happens. Do we need two nukes or is it just one nuke it takes? Oh my gosh, this is so big. And yes, by the way, this isn't made with mods or this isn't a mod. If you say it's a mod, well, there's a download in the description. Or no, just whatever. If you're seeing this on YouTube, go to the description. There will be a download link. If you're on TikTok though, um, search up Linux dog and go to my latest video which might be titled Orbital Strike Cannon Showcase and go to the description. You might find the credits and the world download. If not, just keep searching. But here's proof that it's not a mod. Here, there's no behavior packs, there's nothing active. No, this isn't a server, it's just a world. Yup, this is also gonna be the name of the world if you download it. And also here's a tutorial on how to use it. So first of all, you gotta be at spawn. Oh my gosh. TP 10 64 done. Okay, we must be at the surface. Okay, as you can see, there will be a large box here, which are all of the commands. Firstly, you have to activate this no boom thing, and then you have to press this button. And if it's super laggy, I don't recommend using it, but I'm on a very good phone right now. Okay, as you can see right there, and you have to also, if you want the TNT to explode, wait, y'all, I have, I'm doing something.
Oh,
That's me.
that's you.
Okay, I finished. And also click this clicking area button and And if you want the orbital strike cannon nuke to explode, you have to press this and then go to wherever you want, and then basically it will explode. But please don't test it on the command platform. You will break a lot of things. And ignore these two. I guess that's all of it. I guess that's how to use my orbital strike cannon. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment and ignore my girl skin.